Today we want to talk about ق. Remember this one? ق. It's another ق in Persian alphabet, but in another form. Look, sounds the same as the other ق if you remember, but looks different. But we have our lowercase and capital here. This one, the lowercase, can come at the beginning of a word or in the middle of a word. That one, the capital one, comes always at the end, like the algorithm that we mainly follow for all the letters. Not all of them, but most of them. Look at the red parts. ق, in lowercase form, always attached from here to other letters. Sometimes attached from here depending on the letter before that. Here, in capital, this can come alone or attached from here, again depending on the letter before that. But now let's go and see how they look like in the actual words. Look here, at the beginning, in the middle, at the end. Here it attached from here to te, because it has to. Here, one of them is detached from here, there's nothing here, but this one attached from both sides. We have two qs in this one, depending on the letter before that. And in capital form, look, here it's separate, alone. Here it is attached because she has no other choice. She has to attach, so capital ق attached to that. Now let's read them together. قطره 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 is the same as drop of water, for example. Drop in English. قطره. This one, دقیقه. Two qs. دقیقه دقیقه. دقیقه is the same as minute in English. 2 دقیقه, 3 دقیقه. This one, اتاق. If you pay attention, you can read them yourself. Did you know that? اتاق. اتاق. اتاق is the same as room in English. اتاق, room. And the last one is قاشق. قاشق. قاشق is the same as spoon in English. There, you know new words. Well, for practice for next session, 1 or 2 lines for each one of them and make the part that it can attach to other letters in another color. Write it in another color. These, try to write them down just once for just practicing. And instead of saying drop, we say قطره. Instead of saying minutes, we say دقیقه. Instead of saying room, we say اتاق. And instead of saying spoon, we say قاشق. See you all next session. When you did this, comment for me. If you had any questions, comment for me. I will answer. And see you. Bye.